It's been a while since I've done a mystery mannequin try-on, so I'm going to do that today before I wrap up my filming for the day. And what I'm wearing here is the Belle Tress Chloe in the color Cool Champagne Blonde. This is a part of their new Luxe collection. Hopefully I have this review up at the TAZS Wig Closet channel. You can go check it out. Beautiful, long shag style. The perfect amount of fringe. These colors are to die for. The cap is to die for. It's just the true lap of luxury. I have been enjoying this one. So I have my handy little basket down here with all of the letters for the mannequins in the background. So we're going to try this one on at random, and that is the letter Z. So where is Z? Okay, right back here. We're going to try it on. I am going to give you a second to guess what this might be. A short little wedged bob. It's angled. Lace front, open cap, lots of permatease. Heat friendly. I'll just keep dropping little hints for you. It's by Jon Renau. One of my favorite short styles by Jon Renau. It's Ignite in the color 8 or H14. If I'm mistaken, I'll put it up here on the screen for you. It's so easy and practical to wear. Angle, it can look sophisticated and polished and really put together. And then you can dress it up. You can put little clips, pins, styling, just to give it a more casual look. The lace front is beautiful. It runs temple to temple. Then you've got open wefted top, sides, and back. And what do you think of this brunette? I like to display some different colors in the background, and I've had this one on the mannequin for a while. I like this brunette. It's not too warm. So if you like a brunette that's more a medium brunette with some natural blonde highlighting, I think you're gonna love this because it doesn't have gold, okay? It's no gold, so it's more neutral in tone than what we're used to seeing when you highlight a brunette with blonde. It's not red either. It looks so cute with my favorite wig accessory, square bands. You can show off that lace front and really highlight all of this volume and get some really glamorous looks out of it. So you can look put together and sharp no matter what. With Ignite by Jon Renau, such a classic. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.